just talk to the camera and tell where you want to go skiing.
I want to go skiing over there where the Outback is. And we already skied on Accelerator, but now we're going to ski on the Outback, which is over there.
Well, point your camera over there. There you go. Show them where we're going to go.
Over there.
Okay. Are we going to go off these cliffs right here?
No.
No, not going to go off the cliffs today.
We're not going to go off those cliffs. We're going to go on the Outback way and go to the Outback.
Yeah, right over there.
Yep, right over there.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to go down it.
Yep.
All the way back to the lift. Then I really want to go to Multipolar.
You want to go to the Multipolar lift?
Yeah, after I do
On the which run? Surprise?
no, I want to go to the Multipolar lift after we do the Outback.
Oh, after we do the Outback, go to Multipolar. Okay.
Wait, is it still on? Is the GoPro still on?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're coming to the top of the lift, and we're at Skibowl on a sunny day with some
New snow.
new snow from yesterday. Yeah.
And we are on the upper bowl lift.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off now.